Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. I was wondering, when you are hosting a brunch, do you ever want to make something that's delicious and a showstopper? Or happen to have some kids who don't like their veggies for breakfast? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make eggs for breakfast or brunch the cool way. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can also add in some cooked ham or meat if you'd like, or any veggies you prefer. Start off by taking your eggs, adding the spices to them, and whisking everything together. Once you're done, take a Ziploc bag or a heat-resistant one like I did. Pour in the eggs and basically everything else. Since my bag isn't the Ziploc one, I'll just tape it shut. And again, make sure to mix everything together. Bring some water to a boil and place the bag in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Easy, right? Once the eggs are cooked, set it aside to cool for a bit before taking it out of the bag. Plate it with a small salad or some bread and enjoy. So let me know in the comments below what you put in yours. I would love to hear some fresh ideas. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!